Wow! So many amenities. Over 2,100 square foot home. Includes 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and laundry room with open concept living space. The outdoor living is exceptional here. The covered front porch carries the full length of this beautiful log cabin. Overlooking more than half an acre of property, you will enjoy the comforts of a 2-car detached garage with workspace, a large RV garage with shop space, as well as a flex building private studio that includes potbelly stove. This could be your perfect home office space. Also included is a storm shelter in the backyard, a fenced side yard with a gazebo and a cooking smoker. Includes ramp for easy access of a wheelchair to the front of the home. The air conditioner unit has been updated and warrantied September 2019. This exceptional home with an even more exceptional price is a permanent structure, modular home, no VIN. Down payment assist is available.